Welcome to number 42 Tanzen Drive here in Arundel, a refreshed family home offering space, practicality and a low maintenance, relaxed family lifestyle here in the established Teachers Estate. This home has so much to see and so much to love, but out the back is truly special. No rear neighbours, overlooking the lagoon, at the wetlands, and so much value still to add. We can't wait to see you soon. Talk then.
Don't you know? Ain't gonna fall in love again. I ain't gonna fall in love again. I ain't gonna fall in love. 'Cause you ain't all I got, but you still got my heart on lock. Late nights I still hear your tone.